didn't have that clamped right there. Anyway, she's running good. Just got done flashing my test stand tune. It's a 395 cubic inch, low compression, and well, I'm going to walk around one last look. Okay, I checked oil. I checked fuel system for leaks. I have it with the mass flow detector going. As I'm using the TORQHEAD system, so I can use P01 ECM from TORQHEAD. All right. This is a painless wire harness, and it's just for an F body. So basically, I've got four things that need power. Okay, and I just use my own little relay thing here. Okay, of course, you know, positive is fed and it's got a breaker. So the fuel pump here from the computer, and hopefully when it starts cranking it'll get, because it only does a 3-second purge. I'm pretty sure that'll work fine when I crank it. And let's see, the other thing, okay, the water pump. So the water pump is just on a ground, and if I turn this switch, there, water pump comes on. So I have that, you know, power and ground, and ignition also. So one is ignition, the pink is ignition, this is fuel pump, this is water pump. 1, 2, 3. I turn my little thermostat, and that turns it on. And that's it. Alright, I gave it a little throttle. Man. The only thing I didn't wire up.